I went shopping again. I stopped by the Goodwill store the other day and picked up a few items for this year's haunt. They've been in my trunk now for about a week and I need to empty it. Getting ready to go camping. So let's go see what we got. I've got a mess here in the studio. I've been working on the cash register prop for this year's haunt. It's coming along really well and I'm excited to show it to you when I'm done. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, my name's Todd and welcome. You know, I said I was going to go camping. Have any of you guys ever done like a Halloween camp out? The state parks here in Ohio in the fall, they have certain weekends, usually in October, where they have a Halloween camp out. And what it is basically they have fall activities for the campers, trick or treat for the kids, and all the campers decorate their campsites. It's a really great time, so I'm going to try to do that this fall here, and if I do, I'll shoot some video of it. But going back to the stuff I bought here in the box, I bought this about a week ago. And I spent 30 bucks. I just happened to stop by there and thought I'd take a look to see what they have because the inventory is always changing. So you never know what you're going to find. So let me show you what I have. So the first thing I got was 4 of these bottles. And these are great. Love them. Paid $1.99 for each of them. And they have stickers on them so I can peel these off. We have a lot of local breweries here in town, and so I think that's what these are from here. They make their own beer and they sell them in, I think they call these like growlers, perhaps, not sure. But I thought these are really cool and I'll use them for something. So I got 4 of those. The next thing I got were these shears. And I love stuff like this for decorating with. It's just easy. I like the way it lays on the walls. You can drape it on furniture. You can hang it. It has a nice layering effect. So I picked up a couple of these. Very cheap. I'll use them somewhere. Next, I got this little box. That was pretty neat. And it's cedar, so it smells good. Not sure exactly what I want to do with this, but I'll find something. And then I bought this sign. And not because of what it said, but it only cost $3. And so I'm going to repurpose it. I'm just going to paint it and make my own sign. And for $3, you really can't even buy the wood for that price. Plus it has this little nice decorative detail edge. So this will be pretty good. Not sure exactly what I'm going to put on here, but I'm going to make some type of a sign for here in the studio for the haunt this fall. Now, I'm really excited about this next thing that I bought. Actually, 3 things. So let me show you. The first piece was this shelf. And this was $3.99. And it's a wall shelf. So it's made to hang on the wall. And there's like a groove up here. So I imagine maybe they put plates up here. I'm not sure. But this is going to be the top piece of my mantle for the fireplace. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this out to beef it up and make it a little bigger. And I'll do that by adding a piece of wood like so, just to kind of extend it and make it a little longer. Now I'll have to cut it, but just to kind of give you an idea of what I'm going to do. Now, underneath here, I bought these little wall shelves too, made out of resin, and I bought a pair of them. And so these I'm going to use on the mantle too, but these will kind of be the part that hold the mantle up. And so if you can visualize this, stay with me. So you have your mantle up top, and then you have the pieces that go down the side. And I'll beat this out. But these will kind of set up in here like that. So I'm really excited about doing this build here, hopefully later on this fall. Well, that's it. That's all I got here in this box. Had a great time at the Goodwill store. Well, I think that's going to wrap this video up. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you like Halloween, you like spooky things, you like building props, consider subscribing to the channel. Until then, I'll talk to you later.